Fine light in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. Drive me, I deserve it. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my vision. You took my heart, all my sleep, a decoration. We stick in love, I offer you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and
hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Janae, and today I'm coming to you all with a review of the new Fenty Beauty Bronzers and a couple other products I picked up, like the Body Lava. I got the shade Caramel Cutie. I don't know, whichever one you prefer saying. And the packaging looks like this. It's super pretty. It's like this bronze, like reflective octagon. Yeah, so it retails for $30. Like, I'm a sucker for packaging, so it looks real pretty, real expensive. I think there are like 8 shades you can choose from. I also picked up, it's a one of her new KILLAWATT shades, and it's called Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. And it's really reminiscent of Mean Money and Hustler Baby. Like, the shade is more bronzier. Moving along, I also picked up a new Body Lava Trophy Wife. It's really pretty. So what's the crazy thing about this is that I didn't think I was gonna buy this one. I was honestly eyeing the brown sugar, and I like the brown sugar, but it's a little bit more subtle in comparison to Trophy Wife. I also bought the Kabuki brush. A coworker of mine said that this brush is like bomb on your face. Like it's really nice. I'm debating if I want to use this on my face. But it's so pretty, I don't even want to mess it up. Ugh, I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to put on my foundation, and then we'll get straight to the bronzers and stuff like that. So I'm just going to use the Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer on my hand. Before I apply my foundation, I'm going to kind of like color correct with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade, well, it's 345, and it's a really warm, really yellow concealer. And I'm just gonna like go around my mouth area and then make my eyes. Trying something different. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 345. It's like a golden olive.
I've been waiting up all night. Baby, tell me what's wrong. Gonna make it right. Make it all night long. I've been waiting up all night.
Looking at my face so far, it looks like it kind of gave me like a medium coverage. I'm gonna apply a little bit more, especially underneath my eye. Okay, so yeah, even though I kind of went in with my Morphe brush, I really do like the way the Kabuki brush applied the foundation. I just feel like I need a little bit more coverage, and I just added a little bit more foundation. Other than that, I think it applied it really nice. I just didn't want to get the brush too dirty, because I do plan on using the Body Lava on my body, and I don't want to put like extra makeup on my body. I'm probably going to end up cleaning it off a little bit before I do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face, my under eyes, with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 310. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty banana powder, or banana setting powder. So I've set my other under eye. I'm just going to contour my face with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 420.
So why argue? You yell, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? When you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride.
My face is done. Like the foundation, concealer, ooh, and I contoured a little bit. Now I'm going to do my brows off camera just to make the video, you know, short and simple. So I'll be back. All right, and I'm back. So as you can see, my brows are already done. I finished them. I think they look really good. So yeah, I think I just want to go ahead and just try the bronzer. Yeah, this is typically the way I do my makeup anyway. My base, brows, and then I go in with the bronzer. You know, I purchased a lot of her products, and girl, it wasn't cheap. So I didn't get her brush. I only bought the kabuki brush. I didn't purchase the bronzer brush, the shark tooth one. So I'm just going to use a generic one that I have. I do not know who it's by.
Argue, you yell, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? When you know that you always do it right. Girl, fuck
Whoa.
your pride. Just take it
I
on
use a little bit too much.
back, girl. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back.
I don't know if this is like warm on me or is it kind of, I just didn't want to go too red because one before Caramel Cutie was a little bit more red and I was like, let me just go a shade darker. I'm gonna take a little bit of it and put it right above my brow. So I'm gonna use the bronzer like I guess kind of like a contour. I do a bronze tour. That's what it's called, a bronze tour. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the bronzer and I'm gonna put it like right here, like right where my nose bridge and brow meets. Take a little, put it at the tip of my nose. I didn't purchase the Penny for Your Thoughts. I just wasn't, I don't know. I think what kind of threw me off was the chunks of glitter. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the bronzer and I'm gonna like drag it underneath my eyes. The KILLAWATT Highlighter, Mo Honey, on the center of my lid. And I'm gonna use a little bit of Afternoon Snack on my brow bone.
Keep me up all night. Hurt vibe, and it hurts inside when I look you in your eyes. What are you willing to do? Tell me what you're willing to do.
I like using this brush to put my NARS blush on. I'm just gonna boop, boop, boop. Now for the grand finale. I'm going to test out the body lava. Shoot, with the brush. It smells good. I don't know. I can't even describe this scent. Oh, and for my lips, I'm going to put the Unbutton and Unveil. These two.
Been waiting on that sunshine, girl. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So why argue? You yell, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack?
Oh, you know it would be so cute if she made a gloss bomb and trophy wife. I feel like she's gonna do it one day. You know, I kind of want to, I mean, like, why not, right? I want to use a little bit of trophy wife. I'm gonna take a little bit of the body lava and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand like this, and I'm gonna like put a little bit on my lips. So as you can see, this is the completed look. Yeah, I was feeling real innovative today. I decided to put, you know, the little body lava on my lips. It's popping. It's kind of gold, kind of peachy. It's real cute. My thoughts. I was most excited about the bronzers, and I typically go for colors like this. And she already sold me on the packaging. I'm a fan of Rihanna, so I was gonna get it, and yes, I like it. What surprised me was the body lavas. I was kind of like contemplating whether or not I wanted to buy it, because look, sis is not cheap. She was like 59 Zulas. I love the way this looks on my skin. You should at least have this for a year and then some, you know? And then it's so pretty. Like, you can just put it on your vanity. It has a little bit more shimmer to it. It has a little bit more color payoff. I think y'all will like this one way more than Mean Money and Hustler Baby, but it's just a little bit more oomph in it. Thank you all for watching. I hope y'all liked it. I had fun doing this as usual. Yeah, follow me on Instagram so y'all can see like the whole little photo shoot I'll have with this, you know, wearing these products and this body lava. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.